Back to the garage. We're in here today finishing or preparing these spoiler parts for paint and obviously to mount it onto the car. Now we want to do this as well as possible, which is basically what we're doing with everything on this car. We want to do everything well, good, take quality parts, do everything as well as we possibly can, and we're doing the same with the spoiler. So we're sanding it down, we are putting some primer on it, we're filling all the little holes with filler, and then we will put the spoiler into Alpine Wise 2, which is the color of the car, then another layer of clear coat, and then mount it onto the car with bolts and with like silicone glue or double-sided 3M tape. We still have to think about what we're going to choose, but we're definitely going to do two ways of fitting it to the rear boot of the car. So yeah, pretty exciting day. The weather is great. We're listening to GT4 music, Gran Turismo 4 music. It's pretty epic. So let's continue. First layer of primer is going on as we speak. You should see our support system. It's just two ladders used kind of against each other to create something from which we could hang all the parts. And it looks a bit wretched, but it works fantastically well, so we're gonna roll with it. I guess you could say we're taking a small break from working on the rear spoiler because I'm in the car and I'm on my way to pick up some wheels for the E36. Now, since we bought the car, I've been looking at wheels like on and off. Almost every week, every few weeks, I was looking at wheels and trying to find the perfect one. Now, the wheels that would fit this car, or the build that we're going with the best, would be BBS Motorsport wheels. Because the original cars raced with BBS wheels. Now, today I'm going to pick up Sparco wheels. They kind of look like the BBS wheels. Not entirely, of course, but they kind of have the same style. But more importantly, it was a really good deal. The wheels look fine. Sparco is a very good brand, and they have Michelin Pilot Sport tires on them. So I thought, well, let's fucking go. That sounds pretty damn good to me. It's gonna do fine in the meantime. They are 17-inch, which is kind of perfect because 18-inch or 19-inch even is pretty harsh. It's good for track use, but for like more road use where there can be potholes and stuff like that, I think 17-inch is much better. So yeah, let's pick them up. It's an hour to get there. I'll show them to you when we get there. And then we'll drive back, drop the wheels in the garage with the BMW, and then we'll put them on later in the next video. So we're taking a break, a small break from working on the rear spoiler, and we're doing this in the meantime. But it's pretty exciting because this is going to transform the look of the car even more, and you can really start to see things coming together now. So that's pretty damn cool. So here we are. These are the wheels. We actually have 2 Michelin Pilot Sport tires and then 2 other tires. The other 2 are Michelin as well, but I have no idea what type they actually are. But this is one of the Pilot Sports tires, so that's pretty good. As I said, it's a Sparco wheel. The model is Pro Corsa. These do look a little bit like the BBS Motorsport wheel, but not entirely. This one has a little bit of a curb rash, but that's basically the only one. The others are, well, near perfect. So yeah, I think this is a good score. I paid 450 euros for these. Sparco is a decent brand, so the wheels are going to be pretty strong. They look new, they look good. If we ever want to paint them white, they will look even better on the car, I think. So yeah, I think this is a good score, and I can't wait to see what this will look like on the car. By the way, I came all the way to Dinan to pick up these wheels, and this town is absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you're ever in Belgium, definitely visit this town. The inventor of the saxophone was born here, and yeah, it's pretty damn beautiful. Like, crazy beautiful. I mean, look at that. So damn nice. And the roads around here are pretty damn good as well. So yeah, if you bring your car or any fun car, then you can definitely have some fun around here. Now, yes, I am aware that in order to make the wheels work correctly with the car and in order to have a nice stance, that we do need coilovers as well. So that's something which we'll look into at a later point too. But yeah, our finances are pretty limited on this, so we're trying to find as many stuff as we can secondhand in order to save some costs and keep everything going at a certain pace. But yeah, if you want to support the build, then definitely just share these videos. They don't really get that much views these days, but yeah, we're trying our best here. We're keeping the grind going, you should say. So yeah, share the video, guys. Please, do it for me, do it for the build, do it for the BMW. Make sure that we can go to the Nürburgring next year and do some freaking laps. That'd be amazing. So yeah, thank you for tagging along. I'm gonna end the video here. I might have said at the beginning of the video, I don't remember it correctly, that I was going to finish the spoiler by the end of this video, but obviously I am not going to do that. I did work on the spoiler a bit off camera, but nothing too crazy, so we're going to finish that or continue work on that on the next video. And then, yeah, on the next video we'll also see the car with all the wheels on there, but not with coilovers yet. So not the entire styling from the outside, but we're getting close, we're getting close. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It's pretty late, so I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna go to bed and enjoy some, I don't know, some series or whatever. But yeah, see you in the next one.